Welcome, you are watching Infotech Zone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a scratched computer screen. A scratched screen can be really frustrating, especially if it's affecting your work or entertainment experience. But don't worry, we've got some simple tips that can help you fix it. Step 1. Clean the screen before you attempt to fix the scratch. Make sure to clean the screen thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth or screen cleaning solution to wipe away any dirt or smudges. This will ensure that you can see the scratch clearly and avoid making it worse. Step 2. Assess the scratch. Take a close look at the scratch to determine its depth and severity. If it's a minor scratch, you might be able to fix it with some simple techniques. However, if it's a deep scratch or crack, you may need to replace the screen entirely. Step 3. Try toothpaste. Believe it or not, toothpaste can be a quick and easy fix for minor scratches on your computer screen. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the scratch and use a microfiber cloth to gently rub it in a circular motion. Then, wipe away the excess toothpaste and see if the scratch has improved. Repeat the process if necessary. Step 4. Use a scratch repair kit. If toothpaste doesn't work, you can also try using a scratch repair kit designed specifically for screens. These kits usually contain a solution and a microfiber cloth. Apply the solution to the scratch and use the cloth to gently rub it in. Follow the instructions on the kit carefully and repeat the process if necessary. Step 5. Consider a professional repair. If the scratch is still visible after trying these methods, it might be time to consider a professional repair. You can take your computer to a repair shop or contact the manufacturer for assistance. Conclusion. And that's it. With these tips, you can fix a scratched computer screen quickly and easily. Remember to clean the screen before attempting any fixes and assess the severity of the scratch before deciding on a solution. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.